In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up your Todoist goals. We'll walk through the process step by step so you can start using Todoist's built-in productivity tools to stay motivated and track your progress every day. Go ahead and open Todoist in your browser or desktop app so you can follow along in real time. First, look toward the upper area of your Todoist window, usually in the top right corner. You should see your profile icon. This might be your photo, your initials, or a simple avatar. Click on that profile icon. This is where Todoist keeps all of your personal settings and account options, including the area we need for your goals. After you click the profile icon, a small menu will appear. From this menu, click on Settings. This will open a larger settings window or panel. If you don't see it at first, make sure your browser isn't blocking pop-ups and that the window didn't open behind something else. The settings area is where you can adjust how Todoist looks and behaves for your account. Inside settings, you'll see several tabs or sections along the top or left side, depending on your version. Look for the tab labeled Productivity and click on it. The Productivity tab is where Todoist groups features like your karma, activity statistics, and most importantly for us, your goals. Give it a moment to load if your internet connection is a bit slow. Once you're in the productivity section, scroll until you find the area called Goals. This is where you can set up things like how many tasks you want to complete per day, how many days per week you want to be productive, and other focus targets. Click into the Goals area and then simply follow the on-screen prompts. Todoist will usually guide you through choosing daily and weekly goals, such as a target number of completed tasks. Take a moment to pick numbers that feel realistic but still a bit challenging. You want goals that encourage you to take action without being so high that you feel discouraged. As you work through the prompts, confirm each change so Todoist saves your preferences. Once you're done, your new goals will be active, and you'll see them reflected in your productivity stats and streaks. From now on, every task you complete will contribute to these goals, helping you build consistent habits and track your progress over time.